this is Josh at Apex Overland. I'm going to show you how to install our air compressor mount for the 2023 Up Toyota Sequoias. So first thing first, we got to do a little prep work in this area. So first thing we're going to do is take out this 10mm right here. Just use a regular combination wrench. We're going to reuse this bolt, so don't throw it away. Keep it for later. The next thing is the 12mm that holds the horn bracket on. Take it off. Save this bolt, we're going to use it for later. Just let the horn lay down for now. All right, next thing is this little electrical tab that comes out. It holds this harness right here. It's going to pinch the sides and just push it back in there. Then you're going to grab your horn here. There's a 10mm on the back side. Use that same combination wrench. We're going to break it free. We're going to leave it loose for now. Take your horn, flip it around backwards. It was mounted that way. You're going to rotate it around and you're going to tuck it. You have to rotate the horn, that's why we're loosening that nut up on the back, to there. Grab that 10mm bolt we just took out. Get it started, kind of rotate your horn, best place it wants to live. Grab your wrench, tighten it up. Boom. That's where your horn's gonna live now. Come back down, don't forget to tighten this one up because it is the ground for your horn. Boom. Horn is now out of the way. Next thing, down in here, there is a little plastic push pin right there. This is on the passenger side right there. Get you a tool, a screwdriver, a knife, whatever you have. Just pop that little pin out, like there. Throw it away, you don't need it. So that gives you all three mounting points. We're going to use that one with the factory bolt, that one, and we're going to use this oval right here on your hood latch. Okay, so grab our bracket right here. Now you do not have to take the upper bumper loose to get the bracket in, but you probably will need to take it loose if you have weave your compressor in. We'll see here in a second. So this right here comes down and in. Some way, bob and weave it. It lives there. Go ahead and get that factory bolt, and it goes into the oval hole of the compressor mount. Just get it loosely started. The round hole is to make access for the little tab that the horn used to sit on. All right. And then in your kit, you're going to have two more bolts to the same size. One is going to go right here on your hood latch support, and the other one goes over here to that pinhole we just put out. That one is a little bit of a pain to do because you have to weave your hand up and under, but it is possible. All right, so what we're gonna do is include a wing nut here, and what this will happen, it will slide underneath all of this right here so you can get to that one. So the wing nut has passed under this layer of plastic sitting on top of this layer, and then the bolt going down through it. The next one is the one that is on the hood latch support. The nut goes in from behind and then from the front. Run your bolt through. Everything is loose right now, so you get all the hardware in. tighten all three down. Tighten that one, the factory 12, and then that one, and then your bracket is in place. And then after that, you can put an ARB single or an ARB dual. All right, to fit the dual in here, I just tried it. We have to lean the grill out. So take off the 4 10mm along there. Then down in here, right behind these electrical plugs, there are the plastic push pins. Take one loose there, and the same thing on the other side. And that allows you to pull your grill out just a little bit. By doing that, you can weave your dual compressor in. There you go. All the little electrical plugs go there, and then bolt it in.